Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a juicy jelly. I have my Starbucks and I'm going to clean wrap. So what you do is you put it over the cup. This is all over TikTok and stuff. Put it over the cup and then you press in. I'm going to show you two types of juicy jellies. There's one with this and there's one with the Ziploc bag. So, pour it in. Sometimes that will happen, so you gotta move fast. And you guys can watch to find out how to do this if you guys don't have TikTok and you haven't seen it. Okay, and then once it's all in, let me show you. I don't want to fall, but once it's all in like that, it should flow. It should be enough cling wrap with this stuff for it to hold the liquid. So you see it's in there. This is the big one. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys over the sink because I usually always do this over the sink so that I don't make a mess or anything. And this is I'm gonna kind of do like hit or miss. Hit is when it makes it into your mouth. Miss is if you choke on it or if it doesn't make it into your mouth. So you see it's in there. This is like Frappuccino almond. Twist it. Oh. Okay. Oh, it already has a little hole, so I gotta hurry. Here, twist it tight so we can make it. Ooh. That was a hit. Kind of hit or miss. So you still have some left in there, so. Okay. That was a hit. So now I'm gonna throw it away. It was actually really good. But I nearly died, so. God bless. Okay, so then this is the quicker way to do it. I'm gonna grab a new one, so just in case it has holes in it. And I really don't wanna miss because it will make a big mess. So this is how much I have left. I'm gonna see how much it fills it up. So what you do is you don't need a cup or anything for this. You just get your thing, you get your glue bag, pour the liquid in, take it to the corner. Oh, that's a very little bit. So we're gonna do two. We're gonna do two of these, two bags. This is going to be very small, so I doubt it's gonna miss. I have like a big jaw, so that's why it fits in. And I'm gonna wash this bag and reuse it. And also I can show you. I reuse the same bag. The clean wrap, I wouldn't reuse it. Aww. So tiny. I don't know if you guys can, but it's so very tiny. About in width. So I don't know. It probably looks big to you guys, but it's actually very tiny. And I've never done a mini one before. So it's okay, trust me. And I got like every drop of it. Or I tried to. So yeah. And don't twist it too much, because if you twist it too much, you'll get too much air. It'll just pop and you'll so missed opportunity. It came out really fast. It's really good. This almond, like, it's not almond milk, it's like a caramel frappuccino because I went to Starbucks. So yeah, that was actually really good. Okay, so how to reuse it. First, you're gonna see me over here, I'm gonna wash out the bag and the cup. You guys can, like that this way. Okay, since we're all done with that, I'm gonna go get some water. Okay, I got my water. Okay, so this is how you reuse it. We're gonna take you guys to the sink. Okay, so this is how we reuse it.
Are you making YouTube videos?
Okay, so this is how you reuse it. So what you do is you have your bag, right? And I don't need a, usually you'll put water in it to see if you have it or not. But I can already see the hole. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's at the very tip. So what you'll do is you grab your water. And you'll take it and you'll pour it in. You gotta be careful. I'm gonna kind of tilt the bag. Okay, this is like a 3-hand job, so you gotta, it's kind of hard. I'm gonna pour in all the water because I'm gonna make this a really big one. Okay, there we go, that's huge. There you go, and then you'll take the other corner and tie it up with it so that it will be centered on the other side. Oh, it's already dripping. Sometimes it'll travel up, but that's okay. It's so big. I'm scared. So there we go. I'm gonna move the faucet because just in case I hit my head or something. Okay, so this is it. The official. I always reuse. Okay, so I know you probably saw the plastic straw. And if you saw, I'm practicing for a pet turtle. If you saw my other video, watch it. It is me making bathing suits for my sea animals. Trust me, we are still saving the turtles. I reuse my straw. I wash the cup and everything every day, and I reuse my straw. We're still saving the turtles. So yeah, so we use all of our straws. Actually, we are a turtle like loving family because as you can see, it's in a high drawer, like my baby sister can't even reach it, and we use all the straws. I barely remember the last time we threw away a straw because they went into the trash and then they got into the ocean. That's how it all happened. Okay, so this is humongous. Let's get on to it. Oh. That's a hit. Definitely a hit. So as you can see, I didn't suck out all the water. I'm very thirsty, so wait. There's like a hole at the bottom. I just made that hole though. Also, comment down below what you're getting your mom's for Mother's Day. It's almost Sunday. Okay. I'm not even getting anything at all. See this hole? I can't get it. Oh, you saw my other video. I was in my pajamas, like you see. Did my hair. And I'm all dressed. Okay. Okay, I basically got it. I think I got it. Okay, guys. So, as you can see, I got all of it out. And it was just water, so you can barely see it. Throwing it away. And that's the end of my video. Bye.